OnlyFans is a United Kingdom-based company founded in 2016 and gained massive popularity during COVID in 2020. The popularity of the website helps the company make billions of dollars. In 2020, OnlyFans gave more than $3 billion to its creators. This online platform allows users to pay for content such as photos, videos, and live streams. Fitness instructors and other content creators also use it. However, 98% of the content is adult. According to Wikipedia, the company has 3 million registered creators and 220 million registered active users. OnlyFans is so popular in the United States and comes in first since its website traffic is more than 160 million. The United Kingdom, Mexico, and Brazil come in second, third, and fourth spots in generating website traffic, respectively. Talking about the distribution of money on OnlyFans, 80% goes to creators and 20% goes to the website. However, many people apply like OnlyFans since they don't want to give 20 to 30% of the money. If you're one of them and looking for the best app development company to make an app like OnlyFans, this video is for you. How do you build an app like OnlyFans? To build an adult app like that, the developers and team need to follow 5 steps. Project ideation and planning. This is the most important step since OnlyFans is already so popular, and to become its competitor, you must develop unique ideas and great planning. So take enough time to think and proceed further by going to the best app development company. App designing. A good design of an app pulls the audience after visiting once since it gives the users a user-friendly experience. App designers must create and include wireframes and UI and UX to design the best. App development. App development consists of 2 phases, front-end and back-end. Front-end developers ensure the app and website look appealing by creating visual elements that enhance the user experience. On the other hand, back-end developers take care of aspects such as database design, profile administration, environment configuration, and more. Testing and launching. Testing is a must before launching an application so that bugs and errors can be fixed. When testing is done successfully, the app can be launched. Support and maintenance. After launching the software, it is essential to update it according to market trends and requirements. Now, let's get an idea of the key features of app development. Key features of an app like OnlyFans. Admin panel, user management, content management, payments management, reporting and analytics, and push notifications. Content creator panel, content creator profile, upload content, app subscription, in-app analytics, in-app messaging and chat, app privacy, and settings. User panel, user profile, discover creators, in-app messaging, setting, push notifications. Cost of building an app like OnlyFans. Now the question is, how much does it cost to make an app like OnlyFans? The answer relies on project requirements and various factors, including the complexity of the app, the types of features added to the app, the technology stack, and, of course, the location of the company. However, the basic version of an adult app like OnlyFans with core features will cost you around $25,000 to $50,000. The cost can be $50,000 to $100,000 with advanced features. If you're ready to make an adult app, reach out to Apptunics by clicking the link in the description below. Let's embark on this journey together.